URIZAP is a one-stop solution that removes uric acid, the cause of urinal blockages and odours. When used regularly, it maintains free-flowing urinals. Each scoop contains billions of beneficial bacteria that will eat uric acid within the pipework. URIZAP works in two ways. Firstly, it clears legacy blockages. To do this for one urinal, you add 2 scoops twice a week for the first 4 weeks to clear the legacy buildup. After that, you move on to a preventative stage, or what we call a maintenance phase, which is 1 scoop once a week. Applying URIZAP to a urinal is very simple. You just take a scoop from the tub, pour it into the urinal opening, and add half a cup of water to help the powder flow through the pipework and allow the bacteria to get to work. We recommend dosing during periods of closure or low footfall and reducing flushing to enable the bacteria to do its best work.